Meaning of help desk.
Help desk.
Help desk.
Help desk.
Help desk. A help desk is a central point of contact within an organization that provides various levels of support to end users. The main purpose of a help desk is to provide technical assistance to resolve issues related to hardware, software, or other IT-related problems. Help desk personnel are responsible for receiving and responding to user inquiries, troubleshooting issues, and escalating problems as necessary. The help desk often employs specialized software to track and manage user requests. By providing prompt and effective assistance, a help desk can improve user productivity and satisfaction while minimizing the impact of IT-related problems on the organization.